Hey, Dr. Friedrichs here. Now, as a member of the WellConsulted group on this Facebook group, we're gathering members that are interested in health and wellness, right? And how to stay healthy and how to get healthy. Well, as a member, we are offering, and I can only accept about 5 per month, but we're offering 5 free 15-minute what we call qualification consultations with myself to identify subjective symptoms that you may have that I may be able to help. And we do a lot of telehealth, so a lot of virtual consulting. So you don't need to be close to Brookfield, Wisconsin, which is where my office is, but I do a lot of this virtually. So we do consultations and then directives on how to restore health and wellness, lose weight, get to a healthy weight, not with a diet, but kind of revitalizing, restructuring the physiology of your GI tract. It's fabulous how it works. This is about 10 years in the making, in addition to my, crazy 30 years of practice. But in the last 10 years, we've been studying and training and learning and educating ourselves on functional medicine and the approach to finding out the cause of conditions and correcting those causes, so you don't rely on medication, you don't rely on antacids and all the crazy stuff that disrupts your system even more. But this is a qualifications consultation that anybody in the wellness group of WellConsulted on Facebook can sign up for, and I can take about 5 per month, and we're just releasing this, so it's fantastic. We're real excited about it. But if you'd like to do this, it's just a 15-minute free consultation, no obligation at all. All you gotta do is just iMessage me here through the group, or just put a little note on here, and we'll hook up through the Facebook group privately, and then we can have a private 15-minute consultation to see if I can help you with a wellness approach, a functional medicine approach to restore health. Get rid of the fatigue, get rid of the bloating, get rid of the weight, have more cognitive clarity, sleep better, have better healthy skin. So many things. Your immune system will improve. These are all things that we can help with, and many more if there's something that you're struggling with. I don't want anybody to struggle with their health. I want to extend everybody's health span. It's crazy that the health in our American society is as poor as it is. It's sad, and it's our mission to help change it one person at a time. And we're doing it. We're already doing it. We have people on our program already. So now we want to invite people in the wellness group. Just let me know if you are interested. We'll do a 15-minute virtual consultation. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. We can hook up. Isn't that beautiful with this virtuality lifestyle that we have? Good and bad, but this will help us help people get healthy. All right, that's it for now. Just let me know if you're interested. We can do about 5. So the first 5 per month, we will do these private consultations with. Have a fantastic day. I look forward to helping you and everybody else. It's my mission. Get healthy. Take care.